So as you can see, this is my gig page. So this is your page. After navigating to your gig page like this, as you can see, so then you scroll down the page. So this is down of the page where you will see category about support and education, and you see this page down here. So then you are going to click help and support, the first link under support and education. Help and support, you are going to click on the link, then you let it load. You make sure any page you are clicking, you make sure the page fully load before clicking any other page, because if the page does not fully load, it will bring an error. So after, as you can see, the page has loaded, then you scroll down the page. As you can see, scroll down the page, you see where you see contact us. You click on contact us. I'm having some issue with recaptcha. I don't know, maybe you know how to recaptcha. As you can see, now I click on contact us because this personal account is Germany account. So that's why reason why it is bringing everything in Germany. So after clicking on the contact us, it's going to bring you to this page. So this here will be buying on Fiverr, this will be selling on Fiverr. Then you click on selling on Fiverr option. So you click on selling on Fiverr. Then you click on gig. This place where it says service, in your place is going to bring gig. Then you click on it. Gig status instead of service status, it's going to bring gig status. Because I'm using Germany account, that's why it's bringing it like this. Then you click on gig status. As you can see, I have only 2 gig on my account, so these are the 2 gigs. So after bringing the 2 gigs like this, then you click on any of the gig you want to view the status. Then you click on it. As you can see, gig status active. In your side, it's going to bring active. So gig status active. Then it's going to, under it, it's going to say your gig appear on search engine. You're going to see it when you check it. So if the gig is not active, it's going to say active, but it's not going to say your gig appear on search engine. It will bring it's going to say different thing entirely here, so you know your gig is not active. But when it says your gig status active and it says your gig active appears on search engine, that means your gig is fully active on search engine. So the same thing, you can check any of your gig. So that's how to check your gig status, active or not. But if you create gig, if you just create new Fiverr gig, you give it like, let's say, 20 minutes before checking it, because if you create Fiverr gig, it is not instantly you are going to check the gig if it is active or not. So the gig won't be active instantly, so you are going to give it some minutes. So that's it. So you can try it out.